Every second slips away like dust caught in the light. If only time could wait just one more night. Another sun sinks down into the street. Another day slips softly from my feet. The shadows stretch across the floor like quiet ghosts of days that came before. I reach into my pocket for the brass and watch the golden minutes turn to glass. It ticks so loud against the silent night, a steady pulse beneath the fading light. The world outside is moving way too fast, chasing tomorrow while I hold on to the past. The little gears are spinning out of sight, stealing every piece of candlelight. The hands keep turning on my pocket watch, but memories refuse to fade. The world moves on, the seasons fly, but memories stay as time goes by. The mainspring wins, the balance wheel spin, but I'm right back where we used to begin. No, the clock can't steal what our hearts have made. The hands keep turning, but memories refuse to fade. The wooden floor still knows my shoes, though every step has changed its tune. The curtains sway just like before as morning sunlight paints the floor. A dusty record starts to sing the very song that carried spring. For just a moment time stands still and slips away beyond the hill. I try to hold the mainspring in its place, to keep the youth from leaving my face. But gravity and grace will have their way and wash another yesterday away. The hands keep turning on my pocket watch, but memories refuse to fade. The world moves on, the seasons fly, but memories stay as time goes by. The mainspring wins, the balance wheel spin, but I'm right back where we used to begin. No, the clock can't steal what our hearts have made. The hands keep turning, but memories refuse to fade. Time is a river that only flows one way. It breaks the night and swallows up the day. You cannot beg the pendulum to pause. It answers only to its ancient laws. But here inside the quiet of my hand, I hold a kingdom made of golden sand. The hands keep turning on my pocket watch, but memories refuse to fade. The world moves on, the seasons fly, but memories stay as time goes by. The mainspring wins, the balance wheel spin, but I'm right back where we used to begin. Yes, the world moves on, the numbers climb, but you and I are frozen out of time. Oh, the hands keep turning. One more tick, one more chime. The watch keeps time, so I'll keep mine. When every clock has had its say, my memories never fade away.